I go by the name of Raga, R-A-G-G-A, Raga. Is that simple? Yes, you can. That's right. Okay, let's practice. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Well, I'm gone. But let's do it again. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. I'm gone.
Yeah, man, we live. It's your boy, Mr. Light T. We out here, 250 streets. You know, we out here. We're meeting Rags today. You know, it's gonna be crazy, dog. Like, I've been waiting for this ahead of his big drop that dropped last week, Frankenstein, ahead of his big EP. We're gonna find out more about that. We're gonna see what he gets up to, you know, behind the music. You know, we're gonna be out there checking him out, speaking to some of his friends, testimonies from everybody. But yeah, let's go check it out. Let's check out the studio, check out the scenery. We live, man. We live.
My anatomy playing the organ sound echo. Fantastic sexual was breaking out, snatching the off percentage. Never since his melody, suit is awfully reckless. Now it's off in percentages. Now it's off reckless. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. PC got a deep with fire pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tribe called Quest.
I nostalgic, rock star like addict, offbeat, don't panic, unorthodox, mastered detox for the new school.
One question for you is like this: can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. But I'm gone. But I'm gone.
Yeah. So like. I'm 1/3 of the Rebel show. As you saw, I have 2 other affiliates. Yeah, so we started that shit like 3-4 years ago. So at first it was like photography, and then we expanded to like it being a media house. So we registered that shit. So yeah, we just broadened our horizons, started doing brand managing, marketing like we did for Aaron's Sports. We were the ambassadors for the revamps that they did.
Nigga got the samples in the laboratory. Call me Dexter, nigga coming through. I might just text the nigga, not to text me ever again. I'm dropping freeze, nigga, freestyle. But you gotta pay attention, so you catch the sense in the piggy bank. Hope you banking, nigga. Get the fucking statement, making statements all the time. Pay attention. I make deposits, nigga, all the time. I hope you smoke a 9. Drop it on your palm, drop it on the table. Hope you get it too, nigga. I'm burning like the sage is incest in the corner of my fucking mouth, like an Indian mechanic trying to fix it all around.
How's it? We out here, right, for the Beef Frank album drop by my boy Raga. It's a dope tape, you know, we here to push some visuals, capture some content. Shout out to the boy, you know, like, hey man, freestyle is a problem, bruh. Freestyle, hey, if you want this stuff, you know, you can get it on SoundCloud, get it out on digital pages. Follow him as well, Raga's ID. Look out for the boy.
Yeah, coming back with the kick, flipping all the time like gymnastic acid dropping on your fucking cranium, nigga. The pigeon shitted on your head. Hope you get it again. Oh, sick, my nigga got the pen in my pocket. This is a freestyle. It's in the back of my mind like a memory. Jog it like fucking athletes, nigga. It's fucking inwardly.
What it is, man, you know what it is. It's Bushin Kaule here, director of 033 Branding and Marketing.
Zulu Calamity.
033, we all in it. We out here at Rebel Show Studios. Yeah, shout out to Raga, man. Shout out for the dope music. I only heard about this guy like a couple weeks back at the live experience. Did a sick performance there, even had some reggae vibes and shit like that. Yeah, shout out to that, man. Shout out to Frank. It's a dope album, dope EP coming out. Always.
Trading places with the alter ego. Supreme size is coming through with the Big Mac size. Let's have a meal right now. It's food for thought on the plate. Silver spoon right in the mouth. Coming up like sprout, it's the semen. Sworn by the fucking demons. The devil's working, clocking double shift like night shift. Niggas coming through, he's the nicest. Do this for survival. Niggas met your title. Nigga, it's revival of the hip hop boom bap classic, and I'm coming through still like idol. Who's a doom? I like idol. Car on idol. I'm coming through, switch the keys. I turn through, switch gears, shift gears like paradigm shift. I'm coming through, nigga, with the paradigms. Look, I'm coming through, dropping jewels like rubies. I'm Ruby. Catch a black label when I'm coming to me. Like this freestyle still coming to me. Like it's connected Bluetooth I fully. Coming through with the toolie. Smoke the spliff every time cause I'm coming coolly. Cool, calm, connected, triple C like that. Add another one and see me like that. Yeah.
Nobody care about where you leave, they care about when you come in. Just give me 30, give me 10, 20. Let's up the tempo a little bit, yeah? Up the tempo, yeah? Let's put him. Hey, let's put him. Hey, give me 20. Feeling kinda dirty. Woo. Hey. Shadow dancing with the friendly ghost, eavesdropping on the keeper, standing at the pearly gates. Body was the perfect host for a very homeless soul. Had to work it out, locking cardio.
Yeah, but we didn't even meet on some hard shit.
It was just goofing around.
We were just mates before all of this.
Like, when did it start? Like getting to a point whereby you guys were like, no, cause yeah, we hanging out here fine, but you know, let's get something done. Or did you have to get into that group with Humphrey and them to actually spark?
When we went to college, right? Yeah? Because we went to college, like first year in Chennai, because he was doing photography. So we made all of that, because then I was rapping since then, but I wasn't like recording solo shit. We didn't have a studio. And then we sit here and because he's a musical person. He just, out of nowhere, he was producing, making beats without. Hey, Javez.
I'm seeing it.
Oh, man, look, Javez. He started making beats and shit. Yo, boy, and then, like, question was very, and I'm in Nandi, yo, boy. And then, like, we were like, oh shit. We were recording for 5 minutes with the out there, and then I was like, yeah, let's, and then we decided to do it, bro. Like, I got cottage, and this, I stood, and we just Wednesday, because we're all like on the same wave.
Star like addict, off beat, don't panic, unorthodox, master detox for the new school. Call me party pooper, come towards you with a boss do. Still Dre music, temple is collapsing like the concrete of Palestine. Disappear like poltergeist in chaotic riots. Captain, fingertips placed upon the hairline. Stealth, communicating, silence like a pantomime. Grew up on the incense smoke, screaming in the passage. Ready breakfast, grandmama did the things with the pots and pans. Skills with the skillets, prime time like bulletin. Skin thicker than crocodile, amphibian.
Shout out, like, that was Frankenstein. You know, that was Frankenstein. Like, that's the first part.
So that's just the first part of Frankenstein. It's just, what can I say? Okay, firstly, I'm just giving you an insight of like my childhood. Like Sakula can already hear this and I'm trying to look some parts of my childhood and shit. She was taking care of us and shit. Then first part is just me, AI, so obviously artificial intelligence, nostalgic with the sound, with the steam and everything. Rockstar like addict.
So,
hey, yo, like that line, bro. Like it's like it's so opposite to your personality. Like you're a different type of rock star. You know, you're a lyrical rock star. You know, so take us through that.
And then a rock star in a sense, like in my personality, especially the way I dress, sometimes the way I talk and shit, and sometimes the way I party, dog.
Oh
When it's
I can vouch for that.
So, and then I carry on to say offbeat, don't panic. So there you can, if you listen carefully, the bar is offbeat. So I also tell you to not panic because it's a metaphor also for if implement and then offbeat, don't panic. So you're literally just encouraging you to like keep your composure. Shit gonna be alright.
I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I need my money to go because the reaper has a score to settle, the dust settles now. I need my money to go because the reaper has a score to settle, the dust settles now.
Come to the corner, let's color over the border. Line crazy marauders, we're out of order. In order for you to conjure all the euphoria monsters, pull monster moves, all the my diaspora. Unapologetically weird shit, he's theoretically magic. A melancholic ballad like opium or some acid. Death to the half-hazardous infidels in the system like behind the screen catfish. Stories black skinny,
Masia, shout out to Masia, Rebel Show niggas, some shits out there, man. You know, let's take us through that.
So basically, come to my corner. So invite me basically to my space. Let's color over the border, line crazy. So basically, doing shit out of the ordinary. People see that as mental. The line crazy, the out of order.
We are like the creativity is taking us to other boundaries, to even other ways of living. Like it's that crazy. It's that crazy. So how do you stay within your own boundaries? So much disorder.
I try to not boundaries. I try to ignore boundaries as much as I can because that can tend to reach in a way that ignore your trends. So I just try to like not limit yourself in a way with I can't do that because creativity comes within the classes. So, you know what I mean? If you feel like doing something there and then, you should do it there and then, because that's the time to do it. The universe works in that way, just like now, how I just came to you.
Like it's such a we've been talking about it, and it's not even a coincidence. It's supposed to happen.
I need my money to go because the reaper has a score to settle, the dust settles now. I need my money to go because the reaper has a score to settle, the dust settles now. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the abstract smile from an abstract guy. Got you over the line, so it's way offside. Need your antidotes, blasting in the groove, but it's not in a trance, moving like I was a zombie in the night.
Whipping up the pastries for the wake and bake. Common fruit hanging the lowest for all to eat. Changing the ingredients for the recipe lately. In the chemistry, the science related, so I'm at ease. Oh shit, this is not commercially viable. Cut off your circulation, post-mortem says it's liable. Instrumentals buried in a flashlight marvel. Ideas over your head like old jargon. stole my idea, sabotage my ideas, circulate with my peers, black label my beer. Just a witty little character who's making a career out of interludes and musical hypnosis. The magnitude, Fahrenheit, rising like the temperatures. We got the flu, fever in the morning like a love song. Stay in tune like a Stevie keyboard. This is out the norm. Ordinary foreign language, never understand the term. This is cryptic for your computers. In other words, live and direct art brass is rebel show. And metaphors pack the lunchbox, food for thought. Anytime it's tea time. Tiger Woods, PGA strokes as the equinox unravel full cap. Travel like the skyrocket, magnetic interactions with the
Shout out.
equinox.
Shout out. That's Equinox. You know, like you speak about it. You speak about a lot of things. You speak about a lot of things. PGA strokes, sabotage my ideas. You know, like I think I still feel like you are trying to unravel what's been happening in your life.
Yeah.
So take us through that.
Basically, well, first things first, Payana, I was just playing some shit. I was just rapping with it because I have a very fun time rapping with it. So, yeah, I was in my element there. It was very safe.
But someone would say, if you're finding so much joy in rapping, someone who's very ignorant would be like, it seems like you really worked hard for your raps.
But
that's why you enjoy
it. It sounds so easy.
It sounds like, no, I'm not saying like delivering these raps, but actually getting to a point whereby you can deliver a verse and it feels so organic and so easy. Like, is it like that, or is it just something you stumbled upon?
Yeah. It's like I was in studio. And I was sure it's gonna be part of the project. So yeah, so I just went to it, and it basically was love at first listen.
Quite different, why your mic connected sci-fi dimensions, book of life scripture. Drugs divide fiction from the far-fetched, back down to earth, novels on Paul Bench. No, he was never static like bass. Radio set, cassette, next and hit late. Hit split my shit's like accidents all day. Yo, fragile life, fragile, feel like the day. Reactions, plastic like hallucinations. I see it in the eye like Freemason. Alter, ego making alternating. The devil didn't call just so you smoking aces. Little crazy and put up in the back.
If you know, you know.
What?
I land on the terrain and the trees, loose leaves, smoking loose when a nigga loose sleep. Fluent with the body language, dancing in the eve of your death. It ain't foreplay, the devil's at your neck. Dismantling the jasmine, sweet smoking passing the nostril. Coke addicts, dope lines turned into corkscrews. Needle on the vinyl, needless to add the needle, skilled all the idols. Hey, this spliff had me feeling enchanted. Feet left the ground like voodoo, black magic. Zulu humanity, climate's my dynasty. Sit back, relax, this is acid for your sanity. Hip, hop, backpack, abstract, sick, rap, sick, hip, hop, backpack, sick, rap,
Hey,
hey,
boy, that's the crazy part.
Hey.
Yeah, man, like that's like the first part is like like take me through whimsical, man. Like the beat is something. It's boom bap, but it's a different type of boom bap.
Exactly.
You know, it's 21st century type of boom bap. Who made the beats? What's going on?
Yo, bruh. And funny thing is, I wasn't even like, I was visiting my homies at Good Vibes, bro.
Yeah.
So developers were like childhood friends, so we grew up together and shit. So it's like we went along the way. So but we were still in contact. So I'm very now. I end the music. So just chilling in the studio, and I fucked around and made a kick, put in the pattern and shit, and I was like, it's it. Let's pick out a melody for this, and then picked out a melody. I picked it out and shit, and then he did all the technical stuff, and then he cut it and shit, he arranged it, and then Blue Quest, he produced the whole song. So Then he recorded me, he mastered the song and shit. Yeah, so we basically made the beat. We did Siba 3. Casual. Never just chill because guy hands and I was making it, niggas were chilling in the dining room. And what the pieces then cut the melody and then it was something nice. Then the Quest pulled up later that day, they made him listen to it and then he just added some stuff and shit. That's how it
like, all in all, I can't wait for 2020 for Raga, man. Like, if you ended off the year with the Pietermaritzburg, what can we expect from you in 2020? Like, deal us in.
A video for Pietermaritzburg, Pietermaritzburg. So I'm shooting a video with Pietermaritzburg soon. So look out for that. Look out for tapes from me, Yasi, work, Ziploc, Country, and then there's a whole lot of work coming out from Rebel Show as well. I'm dropping the tape as well. So yeah,
it's gonna be a busy year, man.
It's gonna be a busy year. It's gonna be a nice time for music.
My man, it's been nice hanging out with you, dog. Telling your story, you know, like I hope you people out there are gonna enjoy seeing and watching Raga behind the music and actually getting to see him explain the music. You know, the project's gonna be dropping soon, so watch the space, man. Shout out to Spoon Drift, shout out to RedBrick Media and all other entities. Rebel Show Productions, we out here doing the tangs, making sure this man is here, you know, but we alive, man. It's me, Mr. Live T, Raga. You know, you check out the program. We are busting out of here, man. Shout out. We are here.
I need my money to go because the reaper has a score to settle the dust settles now. I need my money to go because the reaper has a score to settle the dust settles. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the madness. I'm just a little crazy, I'm caught up in the. Trees up the lights, all the thieves of the night. The monkey is foreign height. Trapping your thermometers, fibers in my united. Me playing the organ loud like a band practice session was breaking out.